If you were still in Davao, yes, it's a legal
Siya nga daw nili tatay. Siya nga rin.
I treat you to a scuba diving. Really?
Okay. Sige po.
I'm a VP in Richard Hotel.
Layo pa kayo eh. Saan pa sir? Uy, I love the tats.
Thank you.
Cute.
Thank you.
Fine. Ako ko gano'n sabihin kasi ako napansin.
Of course, Amsterdam. Hi, attorney. Yeah, it was really amazing.
It's right, Attorney Chavez, right?
No, Attorney Chuck Delgram.
Delgram. Kailangan ko malaman yung spelling para sa sa, di ba nilalagay namin sa screen? Naki-SMS ako baka rin magkakaroon.
No problem.
Yeah,
This is what we did with Alvin.
para pag nilagay namin sa
We actually did underwater, yeah. Bring him home. That's me. Yeah. Underwater, yeah.
Oh my God.
Yuka Mizuno. Hello, Yuka Mizuno. Happy birthday to you. I wish you the best in life. Mabuhay ka. Enjoy your birthday. Yeah.
Hi, you can do this under the water.
I'm trying.
So dumi.
Hello, sir. How are you?
Alvin, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I see you a lot of times already.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Who are you with here?
I'm alone here.
Alone?
My girlfriend is from the Philippines.
Yeah.
She's from Samal, Davao.
Samal. Okay, that's great. So you come here because you want to see the family, or you like just want to show your support to the.
I like to,
Support,
I like to see the family. For
Yeah,
sure, but
yeah.
Also, the main reason is support.
The former
So,
president.
yeah,
That's
former
very
president,
good. You lived in Samal and you have experienced his governance in Davao before.
Yeah, I'm already 7 times in Davao.
In Davao.
And Samal.
And Samal, that's good. Thank you so much for being here.
Yeah, I like it here, so I feel also welcome here. So
Where in the Netherlands you live?
Arnhem,
Arnhem. Oh,
That's,
nice city. That's a
yeah.
student city. That's
Yeah.
nearby where I study in Wageningen.
Wageningen. That's
Yeah.
close to you.
It's close. Yeah, I always go there with my classmates for a drink or whatnot. You're welcome. Thank you so much for being here. Really.
Yeah, I like to.
Yeah.
I feel also welcome here, so it's good.
That's
So
good.
I meet so many people here,
Yeah.
so always is warm and.
Yeah, that's correct.
So
Yeah. Thank you, Johan.
welcome.
Thank you so
See
much.
you.
Is he part of the event?
No. He's the lawyer for former president in the Philippines. Yeah.
Is this exact name? Because I saw
Chuck Delgram. Mm.
kailangan ko
Ano mo? Wait lang ha. Wait lang. Ano po?
I don't know. I don't know. I'll be right up.
Attorney, say hi ka naman sa mga tao.
Yes, of
Everyone,
course.
Attorney Delgra is here. Mabuhay ka, Attorney. I just met him in Davao. We really did the unimaginable. First time scuba diving with him. He was actually the culprit for that. Ang galing niya talaga mag-dive, guys.
Kahit na hindi ka marunong mag-dive,
Dive pa.
if there's a call for a reason to go underwater,
Exactly.
like bringing
PRRD home.
PRRD home.
Yeah.
Then you can do
Yeah.
it.
Yeah. I really took the challenge, attorney, by heart because I know that the opportunity is there and I know not everybody is
the
given
first time in
that.
my life, but I would love to.
Yeah, I felt claustrophobic at the same time, but afterwards, it was an experience worth really reminiscing, especially seeing the life underwater. You really opened a different realm in my mind to appreciate the life beneath us. Underwater
Thank you,
pala.
thank you, Alvin.
Thank you,
I hope
Attorney.
we'll be able to do it again.
Yeah, soon.
But this time, it's going to be a different sign.
Yes.
Welcome home.
PRRD, yes, exactly.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you, attorney. Thank you so much. And welcome to the Netherlands. Vice President Sara just entered the premise, attorney.
Thank you. Thank
Yeah,
you.
you're welcome. Thank you. Murag kita nakita ba?
Oh, thank you. I didn't know that she's there.
He just entered. Charging my battery. So that, oh my God, it's really cold right now. It's actually really cold. I'm telling you mga kababayan, it's so cold. Like, very cold. I swear to you. Sa bawat pag-ikot ng ating buhay, may oras kailangan na makiwalay. Puso'y lumabang man walang magagawa. Sakay ka. Thank you, Ma'am Rowena Sakar. It's good to see Atty. Delgar there. Exactly. So please, thank you, Alvin Tourism. Yes, exactly. Mga kababayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsuporta at pagtutok dito sa live natin ngayon. I-share po natin ang live. Maya-maya po kung meron po kayong gustong itanong kay Vice President Sara Duterte, kung meron po kayong gustong sabihin, interview ko muna sa Atty. Delgar. Okay. Atty. Delgar,
The green of the grass is back.
exactly.
Last time we were seeing it.
Atty. Delgar, are you okay for a very short interview right here, right now? Like,
Actually, I didn't know that you'd be around this afternoon. I was just walking in.
yeah. Like, really, really very short interview, attorney. Wait lang.
That's it.
Wait. Hindi naman, ganun, attorney.
Ano ka? Pwede ako sumabay ng pagtanong.
Sige. Wait lang. Yeah. Okay, no problem.
Wala bang phone-in question dyan?
Wala naman. Hindi na. Attorney Delgar, welcome back to the Netherlands. How are you today?
I'm good. I'm good that I'm back. As near as I can get to PRA, still monitoring the situation. Not only back home, but also here.
Attorney Delgar, how do you feel right now with the weather? Current weather, coming from the warm weather from the Philippines.
It's a little bit uncomfortable, but it's manageable. Unlike the one we had before. Even in the month of April, when I was here. So, I think that time it was cold. 9 degrees is manageable.
How many times are you already here in the Netherlands? Twice. This is your twice.
Second time.
The second time
And the only reason is because
of
of
the former president. Attorney Delgar, what's the difference between your first time and your second time visiting the former president?
actually the first time was a little bit of mixed emotion. Because I didn't know what to expect. It was an emotional trip. Now I'm a little bit settled down. And especially what happened to the decision to enter into this. That's actually the reason I made the decision.
Piggy-
I will talk to you guys and
Yes.
at least get as close as I can.
Piggybacking on that statement, sir, what's your opinion or your reaction when the appeals chamber rendered the decision rejecting the motion submitted by the defense team?
Obviously, I was frustrated, I was dismayed. I had to respect my judge's decision. They may not have appreciated the grounds for which the legal team really raise shame. But nevertheless, well, among other things, if I may, there was a reason for this implements. If I have to say this in a cultural sense, perhaps, among Filipinos, tayong mga Pilipino kasi, we're very close. It's family-oriented, community-oriented. And if we feel that we need to protect and support somebody, we're there to protect and support somebody. And in the case of PRL, hindi lang po daan, believe mo, if I may say, millions perhaps support not just in the Philippines, but almost. And I hope that will not be taken against them.
Yes.
Because it is not his own action. It's a collective action of Filipinos and non-Filipinos for that matter who fully support and the actions that they have taken on the Filipinos.
Exactly, sir.
That's precisely why if you would equate that overwhelming support to his influence, I have to say that don't take it against him. Because that's how we are, Filipinos. Very supportive and loving.
Correct.
Even until now.
Yes, exactly, sir. Sir, what do you have to say to the detractors of the former president rejoicing in what seemed to be a decision unfavorable to the defense?
I would have to respect what their feelings are. But although I disagree, because as it is, you don't take issue with feelings or sentiments. In the same way that they have to respect also the decisions of more Filipinos who were frustrated and perhaps a frail 80-year-old who's not used to the weather, who's not used to being alone. And he should be tried in the Philippines.
Attorney Delgra, as a lawyer yourself, what is your message to those individuals or perhaps groups who are trying to paint the defense team a negative or in negative light with respect to the work they have done to the former president, representing him in the best of their abilities?
I like to believe that the defense team is doing their best. In defense of doing their best. The issues that I've raised on the matter of suspension, the matter of temporary liberty, that's what we call interim release. And hopefully we'll be able to continue to support the legal team on this field.
Attorney, just to conclude, what is your message to to the Filipinos, millions who are still, up until now, we are reaching 9 months of the continued incarceration of the former president inside the ICC detention facility, who still would like to believe that there's still hope for him to be brought back to the Philippines?
There's still to be brought back, for him to be brought back alive.
Thank you, Attorney.
And please continue to support and pray for him every day. My family and I actually praying for him every day. So hopefully everyone else will truly support him, will truly believe in the work that he did. If I may, I have seen him up close and from a distance. Hindi po para sa kanya yung ginawa niya. Para po sa bayan. Para po sa inyo rito. Especially the OFWs here present. And all across the world. Pabalik-balik na yun sinasabi. I have heard him so many times how we have loved overseas Filipinos. To keep your families in the Philippines safe.
Thank you. Sorry, go ahead.
Any more information or any message that you could share about the former president
Kung ano yung makikita nyo sa labas, ganun yun siya sa loob. If I may, kasi siguro, segue ako ng konti. He has been accused of corruption. And when I was appointed head of the LTFRB, vividly remember what I said. Put up your hands up, okay? So I know then what I'm supposed to do.
Yes.
To plead the agency. And if I have to say this, may mga natanggal din tayo ng mga tao. Quite a lot. But we will not take all the time. Not from him. Not from him directly, not from the executive, secretary, or anyone who is behind to do so, especially dun sa pangalan. Aliado. So long as address corruption of the agency. So I can speak for the agency that I work for, and I like to believe that the instruction that is given me. Wala naman siyang, wala naman natanggap na 6 years na I was there. So, yun po ang masabi ko so far as yung trabaho ko sa Regional District.
Thank you, Attorney.